Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto with Wise. So in order to use Wise, in order to purchase cryptos, you cannot actually use the official wise.com website, and there are some of the exchanges that don't allow Wise as a payment method for your cryptos. For that, I'm going to use this website that is called paxful.com, where you can easily purchase cryptos and you can send them into your wallet in your exchange with the help of Wise. So I will put the Paxful link down in the description. So you just have to come to paxful.com and you just have to simply create your account on it. After that, you just have to click on create an offer in the top, or you can even click on buy in the top left hand corner of the screen. So let's say I click on buy, and after clicking on buy, it is showing me that I can buy Bitcoin, and it has given the lot of merchants from whom I can easily purchase Bitcoin. But let's say you want to purchase any other cryptocurrency, so you just have to click on it, and here you can purchase Tether, Ethereum, and USDC. So you just have to select any of these. Let's say you want to purchase Tether, so after selecting it, you just have to select the payment method. For that, you need to click on these three horizontal lines, and here in the search bar you need to search for Wise. Once done, you will be able to see Wise or the transfer Wise option over here. So you need to just click on it. Then you just have to provide the amount. So in this section you just have to enter the amount. You can even change the currency if you want to. So after selecting it, you just have to select your country. Then you just have to scroll down and click on the find offer option. Now, once this step is done, it will show you all of the merchants that are providing you Tether, and as a payment method, you can use Wise or the Wise Bank transfer. So over here, you just have to select any of the merchants, but you need to make sure that they have a good conversion rate. So after selecting it, you just have to simply click on the view button right next to their name and their profile. After that, you will be able to see a bunch of other details relating to that particular merchant from whom you are going to purchase your crypto. So over here you need to make sure that they have as much as positive feedback and very low negative feedback. Plus you need to make sure that their ID is verified, email is verified, and bunch of other things are also verified. Their average trading speed should be instant, and it will also show you the trade time limit that would be 30 minutes. So over here you just have to simply scroll to the up and then enter the amount in this section. Again, as I said before, you can even change your currency, so you need to make sure that it is changed. After that, it will ask you to verify your identity before making an offer, so you need to make sure that you verify, and then you just have to simply click on the buy button. So after that, when the person sends you the USDT in your account, you will have to make the payment, or vice versa. It can be it actually depends on the day when you are making payments on Paxful. So you just have to simply make the payment, and this person that you have selected as a merchant is going to give you a Tether in your Paxful account. So over here, from here you can easily convert it into any other currencies, or you can even send it your cryptos from Paxful to your account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.